Hey there everyone, welcome to Jay Get It, the channel where we make financial literacy fun and easy to understand. I'm Jay and I'm super excited to have you here on this journey to financial freedom. So what exactly is financial literacy? Simply put, it's the ability to understand and manage your finances. This means knowing how to budget, save, invest, and make smart money decisions. Why is financial literacy so important? Well, it's something that affects every aspect of our lives. Whether you're planning to buy a car, saving for college, or dreaming of starting your own business, understanding how to manage your money is key. Let me tell you a bit about my own journey. When I was younger, I didn't really understand the importance of managing my finances. I spent money as soon as I earned it, and I didn't think much about saving. It wasn't until I faced some financial challenges that I realized I needed to get serious about my money. Learning about financial literacy changed my life, and I want to share that knowledge with all of you. Throughout this course, we're going to cover everything you need to know to take control of your finances. We'll start with the basics, like budgeting and saving, and work our way up to more advanced topics like investing and planning for the future. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. What are your financial goals? What do you want to learn about money management? Drop a comment below and let me know. This channel is all about helping you, so your input is super important. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. We've got some amazing content planned and I can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Together, we'll make it happen. See you in the next episode.